Hello, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel, A is for Apple. In this series, we will learn how to write cursive just a few letters a day. In today's video, number 5 of this series, we will practice how to script lowercase letters M, N, and O. So please meet me at my writing desk. All right, you know the drill. Let's start our warm-up. And today's warm-up, we're going to call it loop-de-loop. And you'll see why. We're going to start at the bottom blue line and just take it up to the red dotted line. Watch me first. Remember that song? Here we go, loop-de-loop. Let's just keep it moving all the way to the end of the line. It looks like a strand of hair. Curly hair, that is. Keep going. And if you have to stop, just pick right up where you left off. One last one. Perfect. Let's try it one more time. Getting those hands ready to write some cursive. Again, if you have to stop, just pick it up as neatly as possible. Almost there. Don't die on me. Last one. Yes. Our first letter is lowercase m, and I have these arrows to indicate how many times we had to touch the dotted red line. So we have 1, 2, 3 times we have to touch that red dotted line and then bring it home. Watch me first. 1, 2, 3, and then we bring it home. Let's try the M a couple more times. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Good job. And let's try it once more, just for good measure. Our second letter is lowercase n. So let's look at the N this time. We touch the dotted red line 2 times. Let's try it now. 1, 2. Bring it home. 1, 2. Let's try a couple more times. Last time. Good job. Let's continue with our lowercase n. And remember to take your time. And try to space each N as evenly apart as possible. Last one. Perfect. So our last letter of today, we're going to practice lowercase o. And the 2 shapes that make up the O, we have an oval and our famous smile. And we combine those and it looks like this. So we create our oval, let it touch at the red dotted line, and as soon as it touches, we create our smile. Let's try a few of them now. oval as it touches. Create that smile. Nice. One more. Good. Let's try another row of O's. Starting right up there at that red dotted line. Connect. As soon as you connect, bring it back out. Connect, swing that smile out. 2 more times. And let's make it good. Great job. Our favorite part, where we get to show off what we've learned. And our first word today is old. We're going to write that O that we just learned. We gave it our smile. Keep going all the way up to the blue line. Good job. Let's try old a couple more times. Nice. One more time. Great job. Our next word is nice. Remember, our N has 2 humps. 1, 2. Now let's continue. Good job. Let's try it a few more times. Bring it home. And don't forget, of course, to dot our I's. Great. Now let's try a word that starts with M. Let's try make. We get to write that fabulous K and bring it home with our E. Let's try it 2 more times. Take your time. Let's make it nice. Yes, good job. And our last word is Kindle, and that's 6 letters, our first 6-letter word, and we're going to try it now. Get that nice K. Kindle. It's a lot of letters. Fabulous. And don't forget to dot our I. Let's try Kindle again. And what other words did you practice today, or did you create from the letters that we've learned already? Put it in the comments section, because I want to practice those words too. Good job. You did a super job today, so let's celebrate. Now, don't forget our 3 P's that we discussed in our foundational video: posture, practice, and patience. And remember that any progress is good progress. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing, commenting, and giving the old thumbs up. Keep at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.